What is the opposite of enlightenment? If you've ever wondered what the opposite of the Enlightenment is, you're about to uncover a fascinating piece of history. The Enlightenment, a period marked by a strong emphasis on reason, science, and progress, had its own set of critics and opponents. This opposition is known as the Counter-Enlightenment. It wasn't a single unified movement, but rather a collection of intellectual stances that arose during the European Enlightenment, challenging its mainstream attitudes and ideals. One of the key figures associated with the Counter-Enlightenment is Edmund Burke, an Irish philosopher who was critical of the French Revolution and the rationalist values of the Enlightenment. Burke and others like him believed in the importance of tradition, order, and the role of authority in society, rather than relying solely on reason and individual rights. The Counter-Enlightenment thinkers rejected several core Enlightenment beliefs, such as the idea of universal progress, the rationality of all humans, and the increasing secularization of European society. Instead, they emphasized the need for social stability, the importance of religious and traditional values, and the dangers of unchecked reason and intellectual hubris. In Germany, this movement contributed to the rise of Romanticism, particularly through the Sturm und Drang movement. This was a time when artists and thinkers began to value emotion, intuition, and individual experience over the rational and universalist ideals of the Enlightenment. The Counter-Enlightenment also drew on theological arguments, cautioning against the misuse of reason and the potential for social chaos if traditional authority was undermined. Thinkers like Antoine de Rivarol argued that consulting the people could lead to a loss of sovereignty and social disorder. In essence, the Counter-Enlightenment was a diverse set of reactions against the Enlightenment's emphasis on reason, progress, and individual rights. It highlighted the importance of tradition, authority, and the limitations of human reason, providing a contrasting view to the Enlightenment's optimistic and rational worldview.